how to make money online as a student. So if you are watching this video, there is a possibility that you're a student or a scholar and you are interested in in knowing how you can make money online. Now, before we move forward, it's important to let you all know that why this video is talking about students, is focusing on students. It can work for you even if you are not a student. The only reason why I'm adding that word students because I know my audience are mostly students and scholars. So whichever category you fall into, just know that it can work for just anyone that is serious about making money online. So now let's face it. As a student, the importance of money cannot be overemphasized. You will need money to pay your fees. You need money for feeding, to to pay for one payment or the other, maybe for courses, for handouts. Money is very important. You understand? And if you're a student that you don't really have a sponsor, or maybe you are the one that is sponsoring yourself, you are the one that is paying all the fees and what have you, at one point in time, especially if you don't have a stable source, you would have thought that how else can I make money online, or what other means can I make money, or what other means can I make money legitimately? So that's what this video is going to be addressing. So if you are new here, you might consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up as we progress in this video. So I'm going to be sharing you some ways and platforms in the course of this video, and all the platforms I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description. I'm also going to make it downloadable in a PDF, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave every of those links in the description of this particular video. Alright, so let's get started. So I have it here that how students can earn money online while studying. Like I said, not only students. If you're interested in also making money online, the information I'm going to be sharing in this video is also going to be helpful to you. So do make sure you watch it till the end. Now let me go to the number one. So the number one I have on my list is freelancing and microjobs. Freelancing and microjobs. So what do we mean by freelancing and microjobs? Now there are platforms where people who post jobs, and what they do is that they need people to get the job done for them. So what are the platforms? You might have heard about some of them, and then one of it is Fiverr. So if you come on this platform now, you see that people are posting their services, and people come here to place order. Now if you look at this person, I said I will write arts, sociology, religion, history, music, education, work, and this person is charging from $30. You can see she currently have 33 reviews. That means at least 33 people here have bought a service. And then this person also, we have 124 reviews. That means at least 124 people have bought the service at the rate of $25. So you also can come on this platform. So once you come on this platform and then you sign up, you're going to have a dashboard like this, and then you'll be able to create your own service. We call it gig. Now, how do you know the kind of service that you can create? Once you are here, these are the category. We have different category here: graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, and so on. There are a lot of services, and they keep adding new service. You can see if you have here, you see new. They have a lot of service. So you can just come on this platform and go to each of this category and see which of these services can you offer. Exactly. And make sure whatever service you are offering, make sure it is not a service that is too competitive, such that there are a lot of people offering it. And if at all there are so many people offering such services, you might need to also niche down. An example is logo design. If you look at, I've clicked on logo design, you see that there are currently 275,154 person offering logo services. So that's quite huge. So what you can just do is to niche down. Exactly. So I won't be going too deep because I still have other things I'm going to be sharing in the course of this video, and I don't want the video to be too long. So, but just hold on to that. So you can just niche down to whatever service you want to offer. Maybe if it's logo design as an example, or maybe you want to go into writing, and maybe you want to do let's see, you want to do research and summary as an example. There are different categories under writing and translation. So you can see there are currently 17,428 gigs under this particular category. So you can also take your time to niche down. You can see people are also on this platform that are also earning. You can see this person has 213 reviews already. So that means at least 213 people have bought our services, and and so on like that. So just come on this platform, go through all of these services and see the one that you can actually offer, and then you can take it. So I clicked on this one, and let's see. So you can see she currently have 2 orders in queue, and let's see. And these are the reviews, and other stuff from 10, and So she's from Kenya. So wherever you are from, you can just come on this platform to sign up. So that is one about the first one I'm talking about, which is freelancing and microjobs. Another platform for freelancing and microjob is Upwork. You can see another platform like this is Upwork. It's also similar to Fiverr, but their concept is quite different. But once you know the kind of service you want to offer, you can just come on these two platforms and sign up, and then there's money to be made here. So talking about earning, so this is just the back end of my own Fiverr account. So you can see some earnings at the right side of your screen. You can see this is a withdrawal of $48. So this is one way of making money online as a student. If you're a student, if you're a scholar, you can also make money from freelancing and microjobs. So now let's go to the second one I want to talk about. And what was that second one? Affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, in simple terms, what it actually means is you promoting other people's products or services, and then you earn a commission from it. So that's a simple definition of what affiliate marketing is all about. You promote other people's products or services, and then you earn a commission. Now there are different websites, different platforms that you can also use, or different products or services you can also promote. Exactly. So one of it is Amazon. I want to believe you know about Amazon. So you can also look for products on Amazon and promote it either via social media, via if you do blogging. I'm still going to talk about it in the course of this video. You promote it, and once someone buy through your link, you earn a commission. Don't worry, I'm going to leave a link to every of the things I'm going to show you in this video in the description. So you see it, Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. So you can just see in just 3 steps, you say you sign up, you recommend, and then you earn. So you can see earn up to 10% in associate commission. Now you might look at 10% is very small, but you might just be lucky to get a buyer that is buying probably 3 or 4 figures item on Amazon, and then you earn a commission for that. Cumulatively this money add up and it becomes something. And don't forget, you see, if you are a student, the aim of this thing is probably to do it as a side hustle, not at the expense of your education. Exactly. So one of it is Amazon. We have another platform. This is Pioneer. It says make money by being a Pioneer affiliate. What does it mean? It says spread the word about Pioneer's leading payment services and earn money. What does it mean? So once you recommend Pioneer to people, you promote Pioneer, they are going to pay you for it. Exactly. You earn affiliate commission. And interestingly, apart from for Pioneer, they have very good commission rate and how it works. You can see. So we also have Canva. This is another great platform. I personally use it. If you also promote Canva, they're also going to pay you good commission for it. For example, in this particular video, this is the thumbnail I'm going to be using for this video. I created it on using this Canva platform. So it's a great platform that you can also recommend to people. And when people sign up with your link, you also earn commission. Another one is Grammarly. So if you are a student, this is also a great platform. Even if you are not promoting, it's a great platform whereby you can paste in whatever article or content you have written. It will help you to check for errors and spelling and whatsoever. So this is Grammarly. We also have GoDaddy. Once you can say earn cash from sales when you promote GoDaddy on your site. So why am I recommending GoDaddy also? GoDaddy is a trusted platform. Exactly. A lot of people trust GoDaddy in the US, in the UK, they trust GoDaddy. So once you recommend it to them, you can convince them, okay, why that you should use GoDaddy. So whenever they use it, you earn a commission for it. Another similar platform is Dynadot. It's also a great platform where for domain, if you can promote their domain and their other services that they offer. If you look at their commission rates, 25%, 20% on SSL certificate. Now you might not be familiar with some of these terms, but if you are really interested in it, you can just take your time to find out what they are. You can see 25% domain transferring, 20% in web hosting. Now this, you might look at it 20%, but they add up, they add up over time. Another one I want to also recommend is Binance. Binance, if you are familiar with crypto and then you should know what Binance is. So you can also create an account here. You promote it. You pick your affiliate link. You promote it either through social media and every other means that you can use to promote it legitimately. Once people sign up with your link, Binance will pay you a commission. Exactly. So we also have Jumia. We also have Wakanow. So Wakanow is a travel company based in Africa. So once you promote them and people book for a flight or hotel via this platform, you are going to earn a commission. The travel and hotel business is very huge, so this is also a great platform for you to also earn. So what I'm talking about now is affiliate marketing. So I've mentioned two so far. I've mentioned freelancing and microjobs, and then I've also mentioned affiliate marketing. So don't worry, like I said, all the links I've mentioned in this course of this video, you'll find them in the description of this video. So now let's go to the third one. So the third one I'm going to be sharing with you is online tutoring and course creation. So as a student, there is a high chances that there is one or two things that you can teach. Exactly. So you just look for that particular thing that you can teach. It might be in line of what you studied, it might be a skill. So once you create a course in that particular niche or in that particular area or that particular topic that you can teach, then what you can just do is you come on different platforms that you can create a course, and then you upload it on platforms like this. I'm currently on Udemy, and then you earn money from it. Look at it. It says teach your way. It said, okay, publish the course you want in the way you want and always have control of your own content. It said teach what you know and help leaders explore their interests, gain new skills, and advance their career. So you can see it says teach what you know. So definitely as a student, there is something that you know that you can teach. Exactly. Now you might not be too good in it, but you can just make that extra effort to learn more or get more understanding on that particular topic or that particular skills, and then you create a course around it and you come and upload it on platform like Udemy. Now look at the interesting part is it what it said, expand your professional network. Doing this will not just only help you earn money. Over time, you see people will start even reaching out to you that, oh, you talked about I got your contact maybe on Udemy, on Teachable, or Skillshare, on YouTube. Can you help me with this? I need solution, and then you can charge them for that service. Exactly. So like that, you are also earning money, and you are also increasing your network. It says expand your professional network and build your expertise and earn money as on each paid enrollment. So once you create course and on this platform and somebody enroll for those courses, you earn money. Exactly, because Udemy is a great platform. People do come here to take courses, and I'm sure I want to believe even one or two people that might be watching this video also might have also purchased a course on this platform. And once you do that, the person who uploaded the course also have earned a commission like that. So you too can also make money from this platform as a student. Exactly. So Udemy is one of them. We also have this platform Teachable. It says share what you know will help you get paid. That's the interesting thing that we are looking for. How do you earn money online as a student or as a scholar? Exactly. Share what you know. Now if you look at this video, this picture that they have here, you can see this person is setting his camera and the phone. There's something that you can teach. There's something that you can teach. You just create it, upload it, and then you see how it goes. So we have Udemy, you have Teachable, we have this platform Skillshare. Don't worry, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of this particular video. We also have Allison. Exactly. It said publish your existing course, become a course creator, become an assisted course creator. So once you do this, you create a course, you upload it on this platform, you are going to really earn a commission, and it will really help you. So we also have a Dureka. Once you are, some might tell you some might say this one is using the word instructor. Some might use different terms to say what they do. And this is on plural. So I said share your passion, share the future of tech. So this has to do with tech. Also, if you can teach tech, if you can create content or course on tech, then this platform is great for you. You can see supplement your income. So once you create a content around this and then you upload it on some of this platform, then you can also earn money from it. So that's the third one I'll talk about: online tutoring and course creation. All right, so let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is blogging and vlogging. Now, I joined these two together. They are quite different, but I joined together. What's different? You might have heard about blogging before. Blogging, you create a website, and then once you create the website, you create content around a particular niche. When I mean a particular niche, there should be something that your website is talking about, so that once someone lands on your website, you should know, okay, this website is talking about fashion, this website is talking about news, it's talking about sports, it's talking about pets, it's talking about finance. You pick a niche, or this website is talking about education. This website is talking about math topic, for example. So that's what we mean by niche. Exactly. So once you create a website and then you write about it, you create content about it, that's blogging. And if you remember, I mentioned affiliate marketing. You can also look for affiliate program or product or services that is in line with your niche. You write about them, you talk about them, and then you post it on your website. Over time, you start to get traffic, and then you can also earn commissions from it. And in addition to the blogging, you can also sign up for Google AdSense. Exactly, you can also sign up for Google AdSense. It will also pay you for once you start receiving a good number of traffic, and then you're also going to earn a commission from that. These are things that are possible. These are things that are working. Exactly. Now, the one I put beside this is vlogging. Now, vlogging is creating video content, and one great platform is YouTube. Where you are watching this video, you also can come on YouTube and also create videos. What can you teach? What solution can you offer people? Can you create a video around it? So once you do that and people come on your platform to watch these videos, you're also going to earn money from it using either from affiliate marketing. So you can also bring the knowledge of affiliate marketing into blogging and vlogging. Exactly. So from vlogging on YouTube, you create videos on YouTube, you upload it. Once you reach the required criteria for you to get monetized, that is 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber, you want to get monetized, and then you start earning money from Google AdSense. And even before Google AdSense, you can also bring in affiliate marketing into vlogging. So even without reaching the criteria for monetization, you can also start making money when you recommend people's products or services, or you do review about a particular product or services, and people buy using your link. Exactly. You also make money from it, and that's another way you can also make money either as a student or as a scholar, or just want to make money online. Now, if you are watching this video, if you have any question with any of the things I'm saying in this video, I know I didn't go into details into each of this, because talking about each one of this thing can take a whole lot of time. So I'm just giving you that idea. You can build on it. So if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below. All right. So that is it for blogging and vlogging. So if you want to create a website, you need a domain, you need hosting, and then I would also recommend you use a WordPress. It is easy to manage and navigate. Every other link you need concerning that, I'll leave it, or link or information, I'll leave it in the description of this video. Now let's look at the last one I want to share with you. So the last one I want to share with you is domain flipping. Now, you might have heard about this or not, but this is a system that also works. And when we talk about domain flipping, it simply means buying a domain and then looking for someone else that might be interested in buying it, and then pitching it to them, and that is outbounding. And then once they're interested, they buy it, and then you earn from it. Or probably you just buy a good domain, you just keep it, upload it on a platform like Dan, and then once someone purchases that domain, you make money from it. Now, I know I didn't really go deep into it because I don't want to go deep into it so that the video will not be too long. So for example, let me show you. I will also flip domain. If I should show you my Dan dashboard, you can see. So these are some earnings from domains sold as far back as from 2021. So you can see it here as June. This was my earning. This was July. So let's see, for 2022, I had this around April, May, and then so you can see the figures there. This is something that I also do. That's why I can also recommend it. As at March 2028, I was able to sell a domain for $288. So this is another system that works, domain flipping. And if you are also interested in domain flipping, there's also a resource I can also recommend. You can come on Nimprons. It has all the information that you will need concerning domain flipping. Exactly. So so let me go back to the list. So I've been able to share with you these 5. Now there are also more than 5 anyway, but I've been able to streamline this to things that I know works for me and I can also work for you. So what it will require is this. I also want you to understand that if you are the journey to making money online requires a lot of work. Don't let anybody deceive you that you just need to do 1 or 2 things within a few minutes and then you start to get results. It requires a lot of work and consistency. Exactly. So once you put in the work, you put in the consistency, you start to see results. And you also need to understand that if you're a student, this should be a side hustle for you, so that you don't get distracted from your education. Exactly. So I won't just advise that. So you don't just get distracted from your education. So you have to learn to create a balance. Exactly. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And like I said, whatever the links I mentioned in this video, I'm going to leave them in the description of this particular video. And if you have any question with any of this, do let me know. If you want me to create a separate video to discuss or to talk and go deep into any of this, just let me know in the comment section below. And with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you very much for watching.